Once you're ready to add your Pear Deck into Schoology, this is what you are going to do. Within your Google Slides presentation, you're going to make sure that you have the Pear Deck add-on open. If you don't, you just click on the Add-ons tab, Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on, and open the Pear Deck add-on. Once the add-on is opened, you are going to start your lesson by hitting the green button. Once you hit the green button, it's going to give you an option to do a student-paced or an instructor-paced activity. Remember, you can switch these back and forth within a lesson. I'm going to start as an instructor-paced activity. Then it's going to generate a code for me. But I am going to go into Schoology and post it in Schoology. So in Schoology, open up the course where you would like to add the Pear Deck. I'm going to open up our CMS Learning Together course. You are going to, at the very top, you're going to add a material, and you're going to add an external tool. You will also see Pear Deck pop up over here on the right side, but if you click that button, it's going to tell you to go back and to add it as an external tool. So I'm going to add materials. I'm going to add a file, a link, or an external tool. Pear Deck is considered an external tool. So when I click on the external tool button, the very first thing I need to do is from the drop down at the top, I need to select Pear Deck. I'm going to title this one, Would You Rather? And then here is where I can enable grading if I would like to. If I enable grading, make sure you guys choose a category in your gradebook, and you can choose a due date. For this particular one, I'm not going to enable grading. You can also align your standards to the Pear Deck. Once I submit, my Pear Deck is going to show up at the bottom of my screen, and I am going to touch on it. Once I do, it's going to ask me first to log into my Google Drive if I'm not already. I am already logged into Google Drive on this computer, so it's going to let me select a file right away. If you're not logged into your Google Drive, it's just going to simply ask you to log in using your school ISD94 email and your Google password. Once you get to this screen, I'm going to select a file from my drive, and then it's going to automatically connect me to my Google Drive, and I will be able to see all the different Google Slides that I could connect to this Pear Deck. The one that I started and the one I would like to add is Would You Rather? So I'm going to double click. Again, I can choose student or instructor-paced activity, and then it will add my Pear Deck into this presentation. So now if I go out, back into my home screen of the course, and scroll down to Would You Rather, my Pear Deck will be linked within this presentation.